picked up this pegboard from IKEA. Welcome back to my channel. Because it's the new year, I was inspired to do a mini bedroom makeover, and I say mini because I just want to make over this like desk area that I have. So this is my current setup right now. I want to redecorate this space. I want to move all of this makeup brushes into one of the drawers because that just doesn't look that cute. I just want this area to be cozy because I work from home. I used to just take my laptop out into the living room and work from my dining room table, but I just didn't like how all my stuff were laying out in the living room. And this desk area is also where I do all of my skincare and makeup because I get the nice natural lighting. So I needed to take that into consideration when thinking about like this new desk setup. My inspiration comes from my Pinterest board. I'll leave some pictures. Basically, I just want it to be a cozy space that's also functional. Yeah, I'm excited. I picked up this digital wall clock, and I always saw this everywhere on my Pinterest or on my TikTok, and I just think it's so cute because it gives that cozy vibe. It also comes with a little remote, and you can change the brightness. You can even set alarms, the temperature of the lighting. And from the Container Store, I picked up this acrylic rolling cart because I wanted something on the side of my desk to just hold more storage and just to decorate my space a little bit. I found a lot of acrylic rolling carts on Amazon, but they were like $200 and I wasn't really wanting to spend that much on this. So I got this for about $100, and then we had a 15% off coupon. I like this specifically because the wheels are white and it's acrylic, so it's all clear. I picked up this pegboard from IKEA the other day, and I just picked up a smaller like vertical version because it fits my walls better. I got these cute little fake tulips from Amazon because it adds a bright pop of color to my room, and it also matches my new keyboard. Got this entire set of acrylic trays just to organize stuff a little bit better inside my drawers. This specific set comes with 3 different sizes: a large tray, a rectangular tray, and a little square tray. I don't know what you call it. It's like a desk cover, but it also doubles as a mouse pad. I saw this table lamp on Amazon and I thought it was so cute, so I had to pick one up.